Hey you guys!
Hey!
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kazia Taylor, college and lifestyle YouTuber, and
Roll the Realtor.
okay, that's what you're going with.
Roll the Realtor, mother of Kazia. What is it?
Should have watched my videos.
Lifestyle YouTuber.
Anyways,
YouTube influencer.
Right, today I'm showing you guys how I box dye my hair using this Cream of Nature box dye. I'm using the color C31 Vivid Red, most moisture-rich hair color with shea butter conditioner. So yeah, I'm gonna get this vivid red hair color, and basically I took the what is this? The moisture-rich hair color, ammonia-free colorant, and I poured that into. Pass me that. The cream color developer. Actually, my mom's gonna do it. That's why I'm sitting down here. And you guys already know how my hair is, or how I style my hair, and I just dye the top of my curls and I leave my roots my natural hair color. So to do that, I put my hair in these little puffs all around my head so that my mom can see just the top of the curls. And go ahead, mommy, do your thing. Do your thing.
I'm about to do my thing. We got another
rubber band? No, you can use this. It's a headband on the table. You can use as a, just double it up and use as a. Should be another rubber band. I mean, another headband. That's. I probably did use it. You need to separate a puff.
I did. Are we videoing this whole thing? Hello.
Hey lil' mama, would you like to be my sunshine?
Yeah, come on. Party people Santa.
Touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to Columbine.
Yeah, let's do it.
Ice on my neck cost me 10 times 3. $30,000 for a nigga fee. Real young, the 6-thumb balls. Real young, from the 6-thumb balls.
I got companies and pesos. I got people on my payroll. She don't do it unless I say so. I don't smoke if it ain't fuego. I should sauce them up like Prego, fettuccine with Alfredo. All I wanted was the fame in every game they made on Sega. I was 5 or 6 years old when I had told myself, okay, you're special, but I treat you like my equal, never lesser. Turned up in the party, getting lit and yachty. With a Spanish Barbie, word to my mommy.
Finished product. Think I did a great job. That'll be $40, please.
Hey lil' mama, would you like to be my sunshine?
Yeah, come on.
again, we gon' turn this shit to Columbine.
Let's do it.
Ice on my neck cost me 10 times 3. $30,000 for a to get free.